Welcome to Beginner's Guide in Buying a Domain. So, hello guys, if you also want to buy a domain, here's what you need to do. So, first just search over Google domain on your Chrome or any other browser. As you can see, the Google Chrome has been purchased by Squarespace with a partnership. So, you can basically come over to this website, that is squarespace.com, and simply log in with your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Now, simply tap on this Get a Domain from the Domain tab button over here. And to buy a domain, it's a quite simple process. You just have to enter your domain name that you would like to be visible, and let's say I want to type this, and just search in for the available domain name and which you prefer one. So if you want to go for .com, you can also always choose it and just click on checkout button over here, just like this, and just wait for a few seconds. And here you should simply increase or decrease the term length based on your choice. And if you want, as you can see, I've already selected one, so I'll simply remove one from over here and just customize it accordingly, and just click on save and continue. And once you fill up all of your information, required information, as well as your payment detail, just proceed and follow along with the on-screen instruction. And that is exactly how you can easily buy domain. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.